Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to organize your day on the Google Calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on day, and now you should tap on this calendar icon at the top of the screen. Thereby you will be able to jump to the current day. Here you can see the exact time. As you can see, there is it's marked with a black line and a point. Now if you want to add anything to your daily schedule in order to plan your day, you just need to tap on the relevant hour that the goal is due. So now I have tapped on this icon, so it means that my event or my thing to do is going to be from 4:30 to 5:30. Here I can also add a title to my goal or to my event by clicking on this add title box. And then I can select the time frame in which that activity is due to. I can also set it to all day by clicking on the all day button, but I can also add the starting and ending time by clicking on the relevant one, and here I can choose the exact hour. Then you can also select the time zone in which you live. And you can also add people, add video conferencing. You can also add your location, and you can also set a reminder by tapping on this icon, this bell icon, and here you can select from ranging from 10 minutes to 1 week before. Now if you go back, you can select the color of the activity. You can add a description to it by clicking on this box, add an attachment. So if you are done with selecting all these information and you are done with these steps and you would like to save and add this event or activity to your calendar, all you have to do is clicking on the save button at the top of the screen. So now as you can see, it has been added to my daily schedule. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.